Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see the different settings which you get to see at a campaign level inside the TikTok ads platform. So let's have a look at this. So once we are in the platform and we start building out a new campaign, TikTok provides you with various campaign objectives. So let's have a look at those. So these are the different campaign objectives which we will get. So the first is going to be reach, which is falling under. So these objectives are broken down into three major categories, which is awareness, consideration, and conversion. Under awareness, there is reach campaign objective, which is basically going to help to reach out to maximum possible people to do our brand awareness. So showcasing our product and brand, making people aware about our business. So that is what you can achieve with the help of the reach campaign objective. Then under consideration, you have website traffic, which is where you would like to bring people to your website, your landing page. So trying to bring as many people as possible to our landing page that you can do through traffic. Video views is going to be where it will try to maximize on the views which you get on your video ads so that people watch your video ads and they consider doing business with your website. Community interaction. So here we would want that more people follow your TikTok account, they visit your TikTok profile, promote your live stream, all those things which you can achieve through community interaction. And when you come to conversions, you get various objectives like app promotion. So this is where you can promote your mobile app, getting people to install your mobile app and start using your app. Other than this, there is a lead generating campaign objective as well, which can be useful for generating leads on your website where form fill-ups can happen. And then there is sales, online sales, website campaign objective as well, where we try to drive as many online sales as possible on the website and generate revenue out of that. So these are the different types of campaign objectives which you can select from. And once you select a particular objective, you can select the campaign setup, and then you will get to see various settings over here, which is going to be first is the name of the campaign, which you can give in this manner. And then there is something we call a split test. Okay, so split test is create split test is basically an option wherein it will allow you to create another version of your ad group. So we can create two different versions of your ads in two different ad groups and run them parallelly to compare which one works best for the business. It's similar like an A/B testing, which we are doing, where we are making two different versions of the ads and make them run parallelly and compare their performance at the end. Also, you get campaign budget optimization feature here, which is basically where you can set the budget at the campaign level, and then the budget will get utilized based on whichever ad group is working the best. So if you have multiple ad groups created in the campaign, the ad group which runs really well will utilize the maximum amount of the budget versus the other ad groups. Also, you have an option so once you select campaign budget optimization, then you get the option to set your daily budget or a lifetime budget. Daily budget means a per day budget which you set over here. A lifetime budget is the overall money which you like to spend on the campaign. So these are all the settings which you will see at a campaign level, which you will get when you start building out a new campaign on the TikTok platform. I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much, guys, for listening so far, and I will see you in the next week.